about the conversion sums, means how we can convert one unit into another unit, right? Now in this video I will explain to you about the very easiest topic which is addition and subtractions. Already we have done, and you also have done in grade 3. So let's start. It is given in your workbook, and the question number 10. Add means addition. Let's see the first number. First number is given like this way: 30 centimeter plus 40 centimeter. So it's very easy, and it's about the 2-digit addition sums. 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 4 7, and back side we are putting this centimeter unit. Yes, this thing you have to remember. Our answer is 70, but you have to put this centimeter unit back side. Without that, without this unit, marks can be cut. Number 2. Number 2 is 55 centimeter plus 28 centimeter. So 5 plus 8, 13. So 3 we are keeping down, 1 will keep up as a carry number on 5. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 83 centimeter. Back side centimeter we are keeping. This is your answer. I am not taking all the sums here. Now let's take off 3 digit. In the 6th number sum, the sums are of 3 digit. 145 meter plus 137 meter. This in this sums means in this sum unit is given in the meter. 5 plus 7, 12. So 12 means from the 12, 2 we will keep down, and 1 will come as a carry number on the 4. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, and 1 plus 1, 2. So 282 meter is your answer. Answer always you have to show like this way by using this box. Now let's take another sum. See, I am explaining to you number 9 from your workbook because it's little bit different. Meter and centimeter. Bifurcation is given of meter and centimeter. And 42 is in meter and 30 is given in centimeter. Plus 56 given in meter and 60 is given in centimeter. Likewise, this sum is given. See, what is the meaning of this question? 42 meter, 30 centimeter. Likewise, this in that 56 meter and 60 centimeter we have to add. You have to start from the back side. 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 6, 9, 2 plus 6, 8, and 4 plus 5, 9. So this is your answer, but back side you have to mention the units as I told you. So downside again you have to write the answer like this way, that 98 is in meter and 90 centimeter. Likewise this is your final answer. Now let's take another sum of this, number 10. Number 10 question is given same way, meter and centimeter bifurcation. 38 meter and 63 centimeter plus 52 is in meter and 84 centimeter. Same way we have to do addition. 3 plus 4, 7, 6 plus 8, 14. So from the 14, 4 we will keep down and 1 will come on very previous number, that means 8, as we are doing. Now 8 plus 2, 10, and 10 plus 1, 11. You have to be very careful while you are adding this carry. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 will come down and another one will come up. 3 plus 5, 8, and 8 plus 1, 9. So your answer is 91 and 47. But answer you have to write like this way: 91 in meter and 47 is in centimeter. Now subtraction we will see, and the question is given in a workbook, that is 11. Subtract. Already we have done the same. Subtract, right? So in that, number 1 I am taking 74 centimeter. It is given with the 2 digit 40 centimeter. From the big number you have to subtract the small number. So 4 minus 0, 4, 7 minus 4, 3 will come. So your answer is 34 centimeter. Very easy sum about the 2 digit, right? Now I am taking 3 digit, which is given in the number 7, because 1 to 6 in that number 2 digit sums are given. So directly I am taking 7 number from your workbook. 190 meter minus 85 meter. See, this sum is not simple. Why? Because you can able to check first number is given 0. So from this 0 we can't subtract this 5. So borrow number we have to take. And when we are taking borrow number, so at that time just cut the previous digit and put one number less. So what is the one number less of this 9? 8. Right? So these rules you have to remember. 10 minus 5, that is 5. 8 minus 8, 0. And this one same we will copy, because there is no any digit here, so you can put 0 also, right? So 105 meter is your answer. Don't forget to keep this unit backside. Clear this sum. Now number 8. Number 8 is 272 meter minus 198 meter. Same, this sum is not simple. From the 2 we can't subtract this 8. That's why borrow number means 10 we are taking. But here 2 is given. So 10 plus 2 we will directly put 12. And as we have put here this borrow number, so cut this previous digit. Put one number less, that is 6. But then also this 9 we can't cut from this 6. So take 16. Right? In that you are making mistakes, so just be careful in this. And cut one number means this previous number and put 1 because of this borrow number we have taken. Now 12 minus 8, 4, 16 minus 9. See, now don't forget to cut this 9 from this 16. Why? Because as you are knowing that we have taken this borrow number, right? So you have to cut from this 16, not from that 7 or 6, right? So don't forget it. So 7 will come. And 1 minus 1, 0. So 74 meter is your answer. Right? Now let's take another. See, now I am explaining to you directly the 9 number, because remaining numbers are same. This sum is given in the bifurcation of meter and centimeter, as we have done the addition. So 71 meter and 36 is in centimeter minus 47 meter and 19 centimeter. So in this kind of sums, what we will do, we will start from the back side. Cut this 6, because from this 6 we can't cut this 9, so put 16. Cut this 3, put 2, because as we have taken this borrow number. Now 16 minus 9, that is 7. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now From this 1 we can't subtract this 7, so keep 11, borrow digit. Cut this 7, keep 6. Now 11 minus 7, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Answer is done. But this you have to write in this manner. 24 will come in meter and 17 will come in centimeter. This is your answer. Likewise this you have to write. Next I am explaining the number 10. Same bifurcation. Question is like this way. 207 meter and 90 centimeter minus 97 given in the meter and 84 is given in the centimeter. Now from this 0 we can't subtract this 4, so we have to take 10 because of 0. Cut this 9, put 8, one number less. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. Again from this 0 we can't subtract this 9, so we have to take 10 as a borrow number. Wherever we are taking borrow number, cut this previous digit and put one number less, that is 1. Now 10 minus 9, 1, and there is no digit here, so you can keep 0 by your own selves. Otherwise 1 you have to just copy down. So this is your answer. So 110 will come in meter and 06 it's centimeter. 06 it is in centimeter. So this is your final answer. So I hope that all you have understood in this video very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.